Hi, it's Becky Livingston from Pen Heel Marketing, and today I want to talk to you about changing the text in Dolly images. If you're like me and you use AI to help you create imagery, if Dolly is your tool, what you find out a lot of times is that the text in the image is incorrect. It drives me crazy. So, one of my students recently asked me if there was a tool to help him fix the text because it makes him crazy too. So, I want to share this little hack with you, and I love it. It's a Canva hack. Fantastic little tip and tool. So let me pop over here and show you how to do this in Canva. So the first thing I did was I created an image in Dall-E. So what I did is I took the image from Dall-E, downloaded it. Now I've imported it. I uploaded it into Canva. The next step I'm going to do is with the image highlighted, you can see how there's, some crazy looking text in here. It's a little bit funky looking. Don't love it. I want to get rid of this, etc. So I'm going to take a moment here and just talk about how to do this in Canva. So I've imported the image, I've highlighted the image, I click edit, and I want to do grab text. With this little element, this is a paid feature. You can see there's a little crown on this. It's a paid feature in your Canva account. So if you have a paid account, this will work. If you don't, you have to get a paid account to do this. So what it does is it scans the image and I can now modify any of the text. I'm actually going to delete. Let me grab that again because you could just see that oops, I'm going to come over here, do my grab text. I want to take this box right here and I want to grab it. It's going to grab that text right there. And I'm going to highlight the box and I'm going to delete it. I don't want that box in there anymore. I'm going to highlight the image again, click edit, grab text. I want to edit this text. I want to grab it and I want it to be linked in. I'm going to highlight that. Actually, I don't even need that. I'm going to take that out. I'm going to grab the image again, edit, grab my text. Thinking, grabbing the text. I'm going to change this little one down here. I don't like it. So I'm going to grab it and I'm going to remove it because it doesn't need to be there. This one over here in the corner, I'm okay with this. I'll let that one slide. It is spelled correctly. This stuff up at the top, though, all this ugly text, I'm definitely going to get rid of that. So I'm going to grab my image again, edit, grab text, and I'm going to grab this text here, and I'm going to edit this. I'm going to double click on the whole thing. Best AI marketing tools for small businesses. I'm going to head it. I want to make sure it's centered. I could make this bigger by simply dragging it. I want it to be centered. Center the whole thing. And I could change the color. I could change the font. I could do whatever I need to. I'm actually going to put an effect on it, make it stand out a little bit more. Great. And I'm going to move it a little bit because I don't love where it's sitting. And I'm going to adjust the spacing. So now at least my font is clean. Things are spelled correctly. I've got some other things going on here. I don't know what this little blob over here is about, but I'm going to leave it the way it is. I've got my file name here. I'm going to save it to my folder. And then I can download the image. Download. I'm going to save it as a ping. And there's my new image. It's as simple as that. It takes a matter of minutes, but it's such a huge fix, right? I mean, if you have to edit your text for Dall-E images, first of all, try to make your image as clean as possible without a lot of text in it. And then, apply your style in Dall-E. What do you want it to look like? I use the comic book style. You could use all kinds of things. Cubist, if you wanted to look like Picasso, you could use a newspaper style, you could use illustration, all different kinds of options when you're creating your Dall-E image. So definitely start there, download the image, import it into Canva, and then edit it using the grab text feature under edit. So there you go. That's how you edit an image in Dall-E. Hope you're having a great day. Check us out for the next video. See you soon.